Hi, long day, hmm?
Yeah, the seminar was insightful, but now I'm glad we get to take a break.
I really appreciate that you have made time to join this seminar. It's always great to see aspiring entrepreneurs. By the way, my name is Aina.
Oh, hi Aina. My name is Soliheen.
Glad to meet you, Soliheen. So, what business do you do?
I have a business that sells halal products online called AHMAD.
Oh, wow, that is great. How's business?
Business is good, but I hope to get more customers through my online platform. Hence, why I joined this seminar. I want to learn online marketing.
If you are interested to learn more about this, might I introduce you to Miss Adi? This is Miss Adi. I am really sorry since I need to excuse myself first.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Adib. I've been teaching online marketing for 5 years. In fact, I have my own private coaching class.
Oh, that is exactly what I'm looking for. I'd love to get your advice on how to better market my online businesses. May I know your contact info?
Yes, sure. This is my business card.
Th-
Excuse me. I didn't mean to interrupt, but I can help to overhear. Miss Adib, you are a professional trainer for online marketing, yes? By the way, my name's Anis. I own a small publishing company dealing with freelance graphic designers and writers.
Nice to meet you, Anis. Yes, I am.
May I know what your advice is on internet security? I'm quite shocked with the cyber attack cases recently that may threaten the security of my website.
Yeah, sure. All you need to do is to practice safe browsing and make sure your internet connection is secure, which you need to use a very secure VPN connection. That's all.
Thank you for the advice. I need to learn more about marketing, especially in this digital era. Your presentation just now was very insightful to the newcomers in this industry.
Most welcome and thank you for the feedback. Have a nice day ahead. I hope you will succeed in anything you do. Bye.
It was a pleasure to meet you. I hope to see you around, Miss Adib.
Bye.